Still going strong, unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, still going strong. This phrase is widely used in both spoken and written English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really add depth to your language skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Still going strong refers to something or someone that continues to operate, function, or perform well, despite the passage of time or difficulties. It implies endurance, resilience, and ongoing success. This phrase can be applied to a wide range of subjects, from businesses and relationships to physical objects and personal abilities. While the exact origin of the phrase is hard to pinpoint, it's clear that it has been used for many years to express admiration for longevity and consistent performance. For example, if a company has been in business for decades and is still profitable, we might say it's still going strong. Or, if an elderly athlete is still able to compete with much younger opponents, we can use the same phrase to commend their endurance. Using still going strong in your conversations can add nuance and expressiveness to your language. Here are some tips on how to use it effectively. Context is key. Make sure the subject you're referring to has indeed shown longevity or resilience. Positive connotations. This phrase is often used in a positive light, to praise or express admiration. Variety of subjects. Remember, you can use this phrase for businesses, people, relationships, technology, and more. Here are a few examples. Despite the emergence of digital books, many libraries are still going strong, offering a wealth of resources to their communities. My grandmother is 90 years old and still going strong, gardening every morning. This old car of mine has over 200,000 miles on it, but it's still going strong. And that's a wrap on Still Going Strong. We hope this video has enlightened you on its meaning, origins, and how you can incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, learning phrases like this not only helps you understand the language better but also enriches your ability to express yourself more vividly and accurately. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're still going strong in your journey to master English.